Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create upsells on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. One of the easiest ways to increase your average order value is by offering customers relevant upsells during their shopping journey. Instead of just selling one product, you can encourage customers to buy an additional item or a better deal that matches what they are already interested in. With that, let's get started. Shopify relies on specialized apps to handle advanced upselling features because the default Shopify setup does not include many advanced upsell options. These apps allow store owners to create product recommendations, bundles, discounts, and special offers without needing coding skills. To start, go to your left sidebar and click Apps. Search for Candy Rack. Hit Enter to open the Shopify App Store and click Install. Candy Rack is a popular Shopify upsell app that helps merchants create customized offers directly inside their store. Before installing, review the permissions carefully and make sure you understand what access the app requires. Review the permissions and hit Install one more time. Once you are on the Candy Rack dashboard, now you are ready to build your promotion. Candy Rack gives you complete flexibility. Here, you can let their AI automatically bundle your best-performing products, or you can set it up manually. The AI option can save time by analyzing your products and suggesting possible combinations, while the manual setup gives you full control over which products you want to promote. For example, if a customer buys a candle, you could offer another candle, a matching accessory, or a discounted bundle. For this demo, name your campaign Lavender Candle Upsell. Choosing a clear campaign name makes it easier to manage multiple promotions later. If you create different offers for different products, a simple naming system helps you quickly find and edit campaigns. Under Placement, choose where the offer displays, like a pop-up on the products page. The placement of your upsell is important because it affects the customer experience. A product page pop-up can catch attention before the customer adds the item to their cart, while other placements can target customers at different stages of checkout. Next, under Displays, select specific products and choose your lavender-scented candle. Selecting specific products allows you to create more relevant offers instead of showing the same upsell to every customer. Relevant recommendations usually feel more natural and can improve the chances of customers accepting the offer. For the upsell type, select Same Product to offer a second candle at a discount. This is a simple, quantity-based upsell strategy. For example, a customer purchasing one candle may be more likely to add a second candle if they receive a special discount. This works especially well for products that customers buy as gifts, replacements, or in multiple quantities. Check the live preview panel on the right side to see exactly how it looks. Always review the preview before publishing your offer. Make sure the design looks good on both desktop and mobile devices, and check that the discount message is clear for customers. Then, simply save, and that is it. You have successfully learned how to create upsells on Shopify. After activating your upsell, keep an eye on your store performance. Test different products, discounts, and placements to understand what works best for your customers. Small changes can help improve conversions and increase the value of each order. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides.